Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about clouds. So what are clouds? Clouds are visible accumulations of tiny water droplets or ice crystals in the Earth's atmosphere. Clouds differ greatly in terms of size, shape and color. They can appear thin and wispy or bulky and lumpy. Clouds usually appear white because the tiny water droplets inside them are tightly packed, reflecting most of the sunlight that hits them. White is how our eyes perceive all wavelengths of sunlight mixed together. So when it's about to rain, clouds darken because the water vapor is clumping together into raindrops, leaving larger spaces between drops of water. Clouds form when air becomes saturated or filled with water vapor. Clouds are the visible result of cooler, moist air. With further cooling, the water or ice particles that make up the cloud can grow into bigger particles that fall to the earth as precipitation. Let's look at the types of clouds. Because certain types of clouds are associated with certain types of weather, it is possible to forecast the weather by observing and understanding these different types of clouds. Okay, the first type of cloud is cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds are wispy, curly, and stringy. They are found high in the atmosphere, typically higher than 6,000 meters or 20,000 feet, and are usually made of ice crystals. Cirrus clouds usually signal clear, fair weather. Their shape often indicates the direction the wind is blowing high in the atmosphere. Second type is the stratus clouds. Stratus clouds are horizontal and stratified or layered. Stratus clouds can blanket the entire sky in a single pattern. They usually occur close to the earth. Stratus clouds often form at the boundary of the warm front, where warm, moist air is forced up over cold air. This movement produces clouds as the moist air is cooled across the entire front. The presence of the stratus clouds usually means a chilly, overcast day. If precipitation falls from stratus cloud, it is usually in the form of drizzle or light snow. The next type is cumulus cloud. Cumulus clouds are large and lumpy. Their name comes from the Latin word meaning heap or pile. They can stretch vertically into the atmosphere up to 12,000 meters or 39,000 feet high. Cumulus clouds are created by strong updrafts of warm, moist air. Most forms of heavy precipitation fall from cumulus clouds. The weather they bring depends on their height and size. The higher the base of the cloud is, the drier the atmosphere and the fairer the weather will be. Clouds located close to the ground mean heavy snow or rain. Now there are also cloud variations. So let's look at the cloud variations. Okay, clouds are also classified according to how high they are in the atmosphere and what kind of weather they produce. The prefix 0, for example, refers to clouds that lie more than 6,000 meters above the earth. Cirrocumulus and cirrostratus clouds are two examples of these high-level clouds. The prefix alto, for example, indicates clouds whose bases are between 2,000 and 6,000 meters above the earth, such as altocumulus and altostratus clouds. They are considered mid-level clouds and are mostly made of liquid water droplets, but can have some ice crystals in cold enough temperatures. The prefix nimbo or the suffix nimbus, okay, are low-level clouds that have their bases below 2,000 meters above the earth. Clouds that produce rain and snow fall into this category. Nimbus, okay, the word nimbus comes from the Latin word for rain. Two examples are the nimbus stratus and also cumulonimbus clouds. Nimbostratus clouds bring continuous precipitation that can last for many hours. These low-level clouds are full of moisture. Cumulonimbus, as this picture shows here, clouds are also called thunderheads. Thunderheads produce rain, thunder, and lightning. Many cumulonimbus clouds occur along cold fronts. Where cool air is forced under warm air, they usually shrink as evening approaches and moisture in the air evaporates. Cumulonimbus clouds gradually become stratocumulus clouds which rarely produce rain. So this is nimbus stratus. Alright, so that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.